Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here for you we have a white VE Commodore SV6 sedan with a rearranged nose missing a right front wheel. It's an SV6 3.6, the LLT engine and automatic transmission. The compliance plate in there, if you can see that. And we'll just go around and get the other compliance plate for you in the doorway. It's a 2010 model. Got the black cloth trim. The airbags haven't gone off. Pretty tidy trim inside there. Get a compliance plate. Down here it's a 17th of the 2nd, 2010. We've got 4 doors, a left mudguard, boot lid, 2 wheels. Boot lid's got the spoiler removed, just got little plugs over there. SV6 rear bar, and it's got a larger exhaust system on it. A bit noisy, which you'll probably pick up in a second when I start it up. It's on 120,000 kilometres. 120,331 kilometres. We'll start it up for you now. There we go. Blah punk stereo, or standard stuff. Leather steering wheel. Let's jump around here, show you the engine running. It is a 10AC5 code engine. The cover will pop off for you. There we go. There it is under there, the LLT motor. Just shut that in. So 4 good doors. Right, left hand mudguard, boot lid, 2 wheels, engine and transmission. So there it is. If you need any Commodore parts or any other car parts for that matter, give us a call on 4646 1733 with 02 in front. Parts Plus guide. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.